टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स। क्लास 7th का चैप्टर है 11। ये पेपर में यूजुअली आता है, साइंस के पेपर में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम पढ़ना। इसके अंदर बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है, तो ये चैप्टर भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी है। ठीक है, तो पहले तो हम पढ़ेंगे सर्कुलेशन सिस्टम। पहले तो आपको ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि ब्लड क्या होता है। ब्लड सिस्टम को पूरा समझना ज़रूरी है, तो ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। ओके, और सारी डेफिनेशन भी ज़रूरी है। ओके, तो फिर इधर मैं कर रही हूँ इसको अंडरलाइन, बिकॉज ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो ब्लड इज कंपोज ऑफ अ फ्लूइड। इट इज कॉल्ड प्लाज्मा इन विच डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल्स आर सस्पेंडेड। ब्लड when blood is composed without with a fluid, it is called plasma, and plasma in which different types of cell are suspended. Okay, so you have to learn this, it is important. And this paragraph is also important. This is also important, first paragraph. Then we come to second page. One type of cell are the red blood cell which contain red pigment called hemoglobin. There is one type of cell which contain red pigment. This is red pigment in our body, that is called hemoglobin. This is very important, you have to learn this. Okay, so it is important. Hemoglobin bind oxygen and transport it to all parts of the body, ultimately to all the cell. The second one is the blood also have white blood cell which fight against germs that may enter our body. The blood also has white blood cell in our body because it fight against germ that may enter our body. Okay, the fourth one is the clot is formed because of the presence of another type of cell in the blood called platelets. When the clot, जब हम लोगों को चोट लगती है, जब खून बहता है, उसको क्लॉट बोलते हैं। जब वो फॉर्म्ड हो जाता है, मतलब खून रुकना बंद हो जाता है, खून तभी बंद होता है जब कोई और टाइप का सेल हमारे में होता है। ठीक है, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्लेटलेट्स। अब हम आ जाते हैं ब्लड वेसल पे। ठीक है, इसमें दो तरीके के होते हैं। There is two type of blood vessel called arteries and veins. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, there is arteries and veins, and arteries carry oxygen rich blood from heart to all parts of the body, and it is pure blood. It's carry pure blood. It has thick walls. It has thick walls. And the activity 11.1 is very easy. Okay, so pulse rate is very important, and pulse is also important. This is coming in our paper in 2-3 marks. Okay, so when the wrist pulse in the wrist in our left hand is called pulse rate. The number of beat per minute is called the pulse rate. Okay, then we come to next page. Then we read about veins. This is very important. Veins are the vessels which carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body back to the hearts. Okay, it is carry carbon dioxide, and it also carry impure blood. Okay, it is also has thin walls. Okay, refer to figure 11.3. Do you see the arteries into smaller vessels? On reaching the tissue, they divided further into extremely thin tube called capillaries. When we reach the tissue, they divided further into extremely thin tube. It is called capillaries, and the capillaries work is to join to form veins which is empty into the heart. Okay, it is very important. Okay, then we read about heart. Heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump. It is very important diagram. Learn this also. Okay. Blood donation is also very important. Then heart. Heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for a transport of blood which carry other substance with it. Heart is an organ. Okay. It is located in the chest cavity, with its lower slightly tilted towards the left. Okay, it is this stopping without stopping. It is beat continuously. Okay, then it carry other substance with it. Okay, then we go through the next page. Let's go. Then we have arteria and ventricle. Okay, in this we read about arteria and ventricle. This is also an important part of this chapter. Okay, there is only two upper chamber which are called arteria, and the two lower chamber are called ventricle. This is very important point. Note down in a notebook. Okay, there is also one question which usually comes in your exam. Why we have 4 chambers in our heart? Okay, you have to write this. The partition between the chambers help to avoid mixing up the blood rich in oxygen and blood rich in carbon dioxide. It is very important. You have to learn this. And then to understand the functioning of the circulatory system, start from the right side of the heart in and follow the arrow. These arrows show the direction of the blood flow from the heart. Okay, to the lungs, back to the heart, from where it's pumped to the rest of the heart of the body. Then we have to know about heartbeat. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax symmetrically. This rapid contraction followed by its relaxation constitute a heartbeat. It is very important to learn this. Okay. Then we have to come in stethoscope. A device is called stethoscope. The doctor feel our heartbeat with the help of an instrument called stethoscope. You have to learn this. It is very important. Okay. Then this is also important. It's usually come what is stethoscope. What is stethoscope? And it is usually come right. Its function. Okay, and their function is this. The doctor uses stethoscope as device to amplify the sound of heart. Okay, then we come to through the next excretion in animal. Between them, there is an important question within the chapter. This, um, what is the? Just a second. Yes, relationship between heartbeat and pulse rate. It is important to learn this also and this also. Okay. Then we come to excretion in an animal. This paragraph is important. Okay. These are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. The process of removal of waste product in the cell of the living organism is called excretion. The part involved in excretion form the excretory system. When our cell perform a specialist function, these are toxic and hence removed from our body. The process of removal waste product in the cell of an organism is called excretion. It involved part is called excretion. Okay, this you have to learn full. Excretory system in human. It is very important. Learn this also. Okay. A mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by the blood capillaries in the kidney. When the blood reaches two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substance. The useful substance are absorbed back into the blood. The waste dissolved in water are removed as urine. From the kidney, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube like urethra. Okay. Then this is also important. I mark it. It is important to come in the exam, and this is also important. Okay. Then it is this. Okay. It is an also important. This should serve in any other function. We know that the water cap in an earthen pot, for example matka, is cooler. This is because of the water evaporate from the pores of the pot, which causes cooling. Okay, go to the next. This is also an important part of this page. Is what is dialysis? You also learn this. Okay. Then in this page there is transport of substance in plant, and there is an also important one is xylem and phloem. Only learn these definitions. Only this is important. Okay. And thank you guys. We will start exercise in next class. Bye. Thank you.